Do you want to know what size generator you need to power your RV? Let's talk about it. Okay, so let's start with what do you actually need a generator for when you're in your RV? So the nice thing about an RV, a camper, is that it's really designed in order to be very self-sufficient, and you'd be surprised what you can run on just the standard battery without any solar, any extra batteries on these RVs as they come stock, pretty much just the way they are. So without plugging in a generator at all, just running off the battery, you're gonna be able to run your furnace, and including the blower. We can usually go at least 2 nights just on the standard battery inside our camper running the furnace. Also, the majority of your lights are gonna be DC as well. Refrigerator is usually gonna be propane and or regular power. Ours runs on propane as well, so without a generator, we're able to run our furnace, we're able to have our refrigerator, and we have lights inside the RV. All of that without a generator. There are some things though, without any extra equipment or without a generator, that are not going to work just off the battery. First off is the beer fridge. The microwave is also not gonna work just on the battery. All of your regular plugs like you have inside your house in this camper and most campers are not gonna run off the battery unless you have an inverter. Air conditioning is obviously not gonna run without a generator. Our TV inside this camper also will not run without a generator or regular power plugged in. That means for us to have coffee in the morning, we need to run the generator. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what generator we have and how we're powering our RV right now as we sit at this Harvest Host location. Absolutely free for us to stay here overnight. Link in the description. So what we use on trips like this, where we're spending maybe 1 or 2 nights at a Harvest Host location where we don't have any power, but we still want to be able to maybe watch the TV in the evening, or we want to have coffee in the morning, is what I have is a 2,000 watt Predator generator. Now this will run everything that I need it to do inside this RV, including it will charge our standard battery while we're running the generator. Almost all of your campers are going to have an inverter system that will charge the existing battery on that camper when you're running off a generator or plugged into power. This Harbor Freight Predator generator does really well for us. It starts up, it's super quiet. It is only 2,000 watts, so the only thing I can't run in this camper with this setup is our air conditioning. It's February, we're in North Carolina. We actually do most of our camping in cooler weather, 50, 60, 70 degrees. So it's not that important for us to be able to run the air conditioner. If that is important to you, you do have the option to combine 2 of these together, which would give you more than enough power in order to go ahead and run this camper. So minus the air conditioner, a 2,000 watt generator, this Predator generator, will run everything you need. This is a 30 amp service camper. When we plug into this generator, I can simply use everything almost just like we were plugged in the shore power. TV, microwave, hair dryer, all the outlets work, TV works. It's just like we were plugged into a campsite. If running your air conditioning is important, I would recommend getting a little bit bigger generator or combining 2 of these Predators together. But for ease, comfort, and if you're deer hunting, if you're hunting, you're camping, you're doing some harvest locations in the fall or cooler weather, and an air conditioner is not important, you're gonna be just fine with the small, lightweight, inexpensive generator. If you want to check out one of our other stays at a great Harvest Host location for absolutely free, check out this video.